2025 Kia Stonic EX is here, and it's making waves in the subcompact SUV segment. Sleek, efficient, and tech-packed, the new Stonic offers a fresh update for city drivers and small families alike. Let's take a closer look at what's new in this latest version. Starting with the design, the 2025 Stonic EX brings a more refined look. Kia has updated the front grille with a sharper, sportier outline and added new LED headlamps that give it a bolder road presence. The rear has also been tweaked with redesigned tail lamps and a new bumper for a cleaner, more modern appearance. Overall, the design continues Kia's trend of stylish, urban-friendly vehicles. Under the hood, the Stonic EX is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that delivers around 120 horsepower. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and good fuel efficiency. This setup is perfect for daily commuting and occasional road trips, striking a balance between performance and economy. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Stonic EX gets a noticeable upgrade in terms of tech and comfort. The centerpiece is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is snappy, easy to use, and sits nicely within the dashboard for easy access. There's also a new digital instrument cluster that adds a premium touch and makes the driving experience more modern. Comfort-wise, the seats are supportive and well-cushioned, with a premium cloth and leatherette mix for the EX trim. There's ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a comfortable ride even for longer journeys. Storage space remains practical with a decent-sized boot and flexible seat folding options. Safety is also a strong point for the new Stonic EX. Standard features include lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Kia's advanced driver assistance systems help make daily driving safer and more convenient, especially in city traffic. Fuel economy is another highlight, with the Stonic EX offering an estimated 18 to 20 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. That makes it one of the more efficient options in its class, perfect for those looking to save on fuel without sacrificing style or features. Overall, the 2025 Kia Stonic EX is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact SUV with sharp looks, modern tech, and dependable performance. It's perfect for young professionals, small families, or anyone who wants a stylish city crossover that's easy to drive and easy to live with. Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming car updates. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like this adapted for voiceover pacing or translated into another language.